Ligaya. Ayan. And just an announcement, if you have extra envelope, I'm free receiving it. Yeah, thank you very much, Lola Ligaya, representing Ninong Nariu Hermogenes. Naku, alam na alam ko, pagka puti ang sobre, 20,000. 20,000. Yeah. Ninang picture po. Ganun po kamahal ang picture nyo, 20,000. Yan. Thank you very much, Nina. Next one, Photo opportunity picture. Ay, kilala ko yung si Tita Rhea. Lowest 5 yan. Lowest 5 ba? Coins. There we go, Tita Rhea, photo opportunity. Thank you very much. Ay, puti na naman ang sobre. 21 million. Picture. Thank you very much. Ayan, ako. Kilala ko yan. May pasunod pa yung motor oil at saka kadena. Kay Chris daw yun, sa anak daw niya yun. Parang nakita si Sir Chris yan. Sir Chris, ayun. Thank you very much. Picture po, mami. There. Ay, brown envelope. Alam na alam ko yan. Lowest 11,000. May kasamang supina yan. Alright, thank you. Picture. Hold up. Thank you very much. Go yun. Meron na mo. Representative mo ni... Pag ganyan pong may representative, alam niyo po, naku, dinadagdagan pa nung representative yan bukod pa yung sa isasabi niya. Ba't umiiling ka? And thank you very much. Picture. Uy, Matt, sayang na picture. 4-5 yung binigay mo. Isang shot lang. There we go. Thank you very much. Alright. The pain. Going. Diyan po ba si Sir Eric Limping? Sir Eric Limping. Ayun. Saan galing? Sa CR. Nagbilang nang nilagay sa sobre. Alam ko yung mga ganyang galawan eh. Lumakay ko sa Avenida kaya alam ko sino yung mga tatapatan ko ngayon. Nako! Gaya ng sinabi ko, ang representative, dinadagdag pa yan. Kung hindi sama ng loob, inis. De, joke lang. Smile, bro! There you go. Ma'am Moira, anak Moira, tayo niya. Huli na pala. Ayan. Sitting on the white sand, just to fall in love with you. Cause with you, boy, I'm going crazy. You can be a lady, I can be a lady. Thank you very much. Photo. Thank you, Miss Myra. Next. Ay, nako. Looks familiar. Alam na alam ko. Nako, puti na naman yung sobre. 51,000. Kung bubuksan ng bago mag alas 12. Alright, thank you very much. And we have... There we go.
It's in the morning and we don't show it, but we're thinking of the times and emotion, my desires.
Alright, we have...
Emotions.
Sa short message ka kasi pre-selected ka, yes. Ikaw ang representative ng lahat ng mga ninong, as well as yung tatawagin ko last mamaya. Go.
Hello, magandang gabi sa lahat. Liza, happy birthday. Hindi ko alam to tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Gawin mo lang yung gusto mong gawin. At basta ganyan. At mahalin mo lang lahat ng pila mo. At lagi mo lang susundin ang mami mo na lalo na sa ibang bansa. Thank you. Sa na.
Thank you very much. Sir Red, ayan. Guys, and obviously, call Marlene Palingan. Just si Ninang Marlene, ayan. At siya rin po yung representative ng lahat ng mga ninang. And all of you, ninong and ninang, tito at titas, are equally important to our birthday celebration. Here we go.
Happy birthday! Sana mag-aral ka mabuti and alam mo na may pag-iisip ng nanay mo. Sana yung dream ko, sana matupad yun. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Ayan. Teary eye si